Last time, we gave our universe gravity. Particles that were once alone started coming together. But even with gravity, our universe was still not perfect. Our universe was still dark. No stars, no lights. Today, we're changing that. If you've been following this series from episode 1 and you enjoy what you've been saying, please do also like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So, let's get right into changing our universe today. Stars are not created randomly. They begin inside massive clouds of matter. Gravity pulls everything closer. More particles gather. The center becomes denser. Pressure begins to build. Energy rises. And eventually, a star is born. Before a star exists, there is only a cloud of matter, billions of tiny particles drifting through space. Gravity keeps pulling the cloud inward. As more matter gathers, the cloud becomes denser. Pressure begins to rise, but a cloud does not become a star immediately. It needs enough matter, enough pressure, and enough energy. Then everything changes. The first light appears. A star is born. Now, just like in the last episode, let's run our universe all over again and let's watch our universe come alive. Gravity was quietly working, pulling matter together, creating dense regions hidden in space. Pressure continued to rise. Energy kept building. And the first light appeared. One star became many, and our universe starts to shine. Today, we created stars. But stars do not stay alone. Over millions of years, they gather into something even greater. Next time, we create galaxies.